How to contact Fiverr support. So to start, we'll just have to open our account. To do that, simply open browser and then search for fiverr.com. After that, log into your account. Once logged in, we'll have to scroll down to the bottom, and then in here you will be given different categories. What you need to do is to go on this company category. Under that, tap on this help and support option. And then in here, you can type the problem that you need to be resolved. And then if we scroll down here, you will also be given different categories that you can select. But if you want to talk to a customer service, what you need to do is to scroll down and then tap on this contact us option. After that, a chatbot will automatically appear here. What you need to do is to tap on this start new chat to start talking to a customer service. So as an example, I'm going to type here, how do I get clients? And then after that, tap on this arrow icon, and then we'll just have to wait for a response. So as an example, I'm gonna tap on this, I'm a freelancer looking for a work. And then after that, it will automatically show me process on how I can get clients. So that's how easy we can contact Fiverr support to get help. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!